Amazing morning everyone. Welcome to another ADJ Open House Tour for this week. Today guys, we're here in Antipolo City para mag-check na naman po ng panibagong house and lot. Specs of this home, lot area is 210 square meter, floor area po is 180 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and baths, and 1 to 2 car garage. Before we start our tour, please like and follow EDJ Facebook page, Reel, TikTok, Instagram, as well my EDJ YouTube channel. So you'll be notified every time we drop our video. Now guys, let's start our open house tour. Yan guys, from the street level of this property, as you can see, meron tayong box garden dito, yung fence, at meron tayong 4 or 5 steps papunta dito sa inyong porch area. Tara, pasukin natin tong loob. Bali, ito yung steel gate mo at ito yung carport. Ito yung right easement papunta dun sa inyong backyard na mamaya ikutin natin. Ngayon, next natin dito. Ito yung balcony yung sa taas. Mayroon ka dito sliding glass door papunta sa inyong dining area. At may another open space ka dito. Pwede dito laundry area or pwede rin doon sa likod ng house and lot. May magandang open space din tayo doon. And guys, ito yung screen at yung main door. Papasukin natin tong loob ng house and lot. Pagpasok mo dyan, ito yung living area, modern light, at ito yung partition mo dito between the living area and the dining area. At ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina. Yeah. Ito yung salanay. And next natin dito sa dining area guys, ito naman yung kitchen. Yan. Meron kang breakfast nook, may modern light, yung upper cabinet, naka-box flush, yung sink, yung countertop mo, yung drawer and cabinet. Next natin, yung powder room. And may powder room ka dito. Paglabas mo dito guys, itong pinto na to, papunta to dito sa inyong backyard. Imagine mo meron kang malawak and malapad na backyard dito sa house and lot mo. At meron ka ring puno ng, ang tawag dito, guyabano. Ay, hindi. Avocado. May avocado tree ka na. Pag namunga yan, ako, sigurado ang daming bunga niyan. Yan guys, dito may open space ka dito. Pwede kang magtanim o i-landscape mo itong side na to. And ito yung right easement na mention ko kanina sa inyo. Ngayon, balik na tayo sa kitchen. Yan guys, welcome dito sa kitchen nyo ulit. At yung dining area, living area. Next natin, yung bedroom 1, dito po sa ground floor. Pwedeng pang elderly guest room. Yan, ito yung lapad and lawak niya. At itong side na to, maganda dito, maliwalas to. Ito yung right easement ng house and lot. Next natin, yung maid's room or another guest room. Bali dito po, pwede nitong gawing maid's room or elderly room din, isang bedroom pa. Bali dito sa ground floor, meron kang 2 kwarto. Maganda po siya sa kalapad, sa kalawak. Mapapansin mo, wala siyang toilet and bathroom. Meron po siyang common dito. Naka full tiles, yung head shower, yung toilet, saka yung sink na dyan po. Close lang natin to. Ito yung staircase going up to 2nd floor. Ang maganda dito, meron ka ditong storage area under the staircase. Ngayon, check naman po natin yung 2nd floor. Yung steps natin dito is tiles. Tapos yung riser niya is concrete. Yan guys, welcome to 2nd floor. Ganito siya kalapad sa kalawak. Ito yung family area. Pero pwede mo rin itong i-convert for another room. Next natin, itong pang 3rd bedroom dito. May corner glass ka, facing street ng house and lot. Ito yung ceiling niya, naka-cove light na yan dyan, or may modern light. Next natin, yung toilet and bathroom dito. Yan, ito yung toilet and bathroom dito sa second floor. Labas tayo dito. Next natin, itong side na to. Ito pwede mong i-convert for another room or depende sa magiging design po ninyo. Marami kang pwedeng gawin dito sa second floor po ninyo pag nilayout nyo to. Tapos ito yung family area. May corner glass dyan. Paglabas mo dito sa sliding glass door na yan, ito yung malapad saka malawak ng balcony. Tapos dito, may open space ka. Yan guys, recap lang po tayo. Ang lot area po nito is 210 square meter. Ang floor area is 187 square meter. Ito pong single attached house and lot is renovated po ito. And nasa loob po ito ng isang exclusive subdivisions along Marcos Highway. Yan, kung naibigan niyo po ang bagong feature na house and lot dito po sa Antipolo City, pwede niyo po akong tawagan, text na number to para makapag-schedule tayo ng site viewing o site tripping para makita niyo po ng person. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bagong featured na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Delbert Halos, helping you find a home that's meant for you. Hello everyone! Welcome to another EDJ Open House Tour for this week. Today guys, we're here in Taytay Rizal kung saan po may bago tayong single house and lot na ipipicture sa araw na to. The specs of this home, lot area is 136 square meter, floor area is 186 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. Before we start our tour, please like and follow EDJ Facebook page, Reel, TikTok, Instagram, as well my EDJ YouTube channel. So you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Now guys, let's start our open house tour.